restaurants and snacks in Taipei, we're vending diamonds, starting from around 3,000 NTD and going all the way up to 55,000. These machines are putting high-end jewelry in places you wouldn't expect. The big question, how would you feel about a vending machine engagement ring? Let's ask.
I think I could trust a vending machine to sell real diamonds. If the designer was reputable, I could go for that.
Yeah, I think the biggest challenge would be sizing, especially with jewellery, that sort of thing. But from the convenience point of view, yeah, I see it working. Go for something in the lower price range, just for convenience.
I will consider it if the price is fair.
I will buy because I always lose my earring while I'm sleeping. I mean, there is a lot of vending machine right now for food, you know what I mean? This is just another extra type of, service.
我觉得还蛮有趣的耶，就是我觉得一些小饰品有可能真的在路过的人通勤的时候，如果说跟朋友在见面之前忘记带礼物了，有可能还真的会去买。
我喜欢亲眼看到，然后可以摸到，可以触摸，因为给我一个贩卖机，给我个感觉都是卖比较便宜的东西。不过很棒，我觉得非常棒，对一些年轻人来讲太方便了，说不定在路上走的求婚就去买了一个。
I reached out to the brand Wedding Code, and they say impulse buyers are the main customers. However, they were very vague about how many they've actually sold. They did say, though, that this was a bit of a marketing experiment to get their product seen. But does this have the potential to be a trend?
我觉得我是愿意尝试消费的。如果这一台机子的这个贩卖机的这个品牌，可能如果我自己本身就知道，然后知道它里面卖的是正品的话，我会慢慢的信任起来。不过可能还是有一段时间我自己需要去学习。如果这个我的对象从贩卖机里面买求婚戒指是有特殊的意义的话，那可能我会就是考虑在内，但是一般情况下好像目前还不会这样做。
如果我已经知道有这回事了，我能接受。如果我从来不知道，然后呢，这位男士告诉我在贩卖机买的，我觉得我可能不能接受，像 instant noodle 的感觉。
I don't care, I care less, as long as you buy for me.
Oh. Now let me find a vending machine over here that works. 600. I'm just playing.
What do you think? Diamond at a push of a button, totally worth it, or total gimmick? Drop a if you're buying, or a if it's a hard pass.